So it was supposed to be a drinking cocktails by the pool kind of holiday, but instead it turned into an adventure that changed us forever, and our last day is no different. In case you missed the previous episodes, here's how it started.
We're on the plane?
Yes.
We're going to Thailand.
Travel across the world and then spend your first night in Bangkok.
My outfit. Check this fucking thing.
On the boat. There's the mountain.
Belly on.
Acquaint yourself with the climate, the culture, and the creatures.
It's heavy, yeah? Watch out there.
Definitely bath with the Ellies.
Chippies and
Singer.
Little morning visitor.
do not swim in the pond. Up the tree. There we go.
Go island hopping in the bluest water.
Capturing magical moments.
Look at this.
And discover just how beautiful the ocean is.
So nice.
Cool, eh? No.
Get out of your comfort zone. The reward is so worth it.
Beautiful.
A bit of a monsoon. Nice, nice. Just chilling.
It really is that blue.
Have a drinks. Beautiful day.
Just try the street food, it will blow your mind. Maybe your pupil too, but definitely your taste buds.
Yeah.
You want a big one? Skull.
Capture the moment.
And if you are going to try that cookie, be in a cool, safe place.
Good job.
Not in the sun.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Very. Wow, it's pretty.
Before we go to the last episode, a massive thank you to everyone who has liked and subscribed. It really does help with the algorithms, which helps grow the channel, which is all about living life better than it was.
Hello.
Hi.
Where are we going now?
Breakfast and then snorkel.
Breakfast and then
Snorkel and ski.
snorkeling. Yeah. What's today?
Last day. Back
Huh?
day. Go away that day.
We said.
Very sad only.
Oh dear. Sorry. Sorry, man. So what's the time now? And how hot is it already?
Probably like 30 degrees.
30 degrees. We're gonna go brekkie. And we're gonna go hit the ocean. And have a swim. Then we're gonna check out and chill by the pool. Until they're ready to come fetch us. Sawadee. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Because we wanna get every second in.
Make use of every second.
Yeah.
This is Krabi. It's my friend.
There's Krabi.
He's Tommy.
What's up?
Pila.
There's Pillar.
My spike.
There's Spike.
Frikkie.
Frikkie.
Tito.
And Gitter. Over here.
Tommy. Hier is ballas en juk.
Alles in.
Juk.
Yuck.
Skrap. Daar.
So hot. Heel warm. Is it there? Thank you so much. Thank you. Hmm?
Last one.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Yummy.
And then we're gonna go snorkeling. Swimming in the ocean. Can you stand?
No.
You want to see if you can? Okay, go. Hands up.
I didn't go all the way down.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm not a good swimmer, eh?
Oh. That helps.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
No. Yeah. Oh, but. Can I go to the bigger beach? We got a little kids group. Come here. Hello. Hello. Ropey. I'd rather not. I'll come stand by you. Come here. Come here.
You can stand. Oh, that's what you want.
Hello.
Hi. We're swimming.
We're swimming in the oceans.
Yes. By the long shoulder. Hello. You're sexy.
Theater.
Boobies! Holy shit! Those aren't real. Yes, they are.
Get the shot, man. Hi, Centara Grand. You're not going to take the boat today. We're going to walk over to Monkey Trail. Walk over there. The boat's going to take our luggage because we have to be fetched there by the taxi. And then we're going to see if we can get some tattoos in Thailand. Last day.
Yeah.
Doing Monkey Trail. Okay.
Yeah.
Are we managing? Not as bad as the temple steps?
Nope.
No, much better.
This is easy stuff. Compared
Yeah.
with chocolate. Toddler can do this.
Am I back?
Yeah.
You see you?
It's hot, eh?
Yeah. It's a bit hot.
Melting still.
Some people are worth melting for.
No water. No towels. To wipe off the sweat.
Fucking go.
We just on a whim decided, you know what, we've got 1 hour to spare. Let's fuck it up! Gonna touch up, gonna get some tattoos done. That's the master, some of us. We're getting elephants. Yeah. This is tracing it out for us. By hand. You happy with the print? Vraag dan voor die rokjes als je wil heeft. Dis tarik. Is baie takkes, né? Very sanitary. I can see in the reflection.
Yeah, 7. Not so soon. I was expecting a lot worse today. Yeah, then we're flying back. So it's the last thing on our list before we go back home. We've been here for 10 days now. Where are you from? South Africa? Oh, Cape Town. Very far.
Done. Thank you so much. That's my Ellie. Nice. It's so cool. Yeah, I'm fine.
Look good?
Eh?
Look good?
Yeah. Is it so?
Very good.
Is it?
Not that cool.
Yeah.
I expected.
Hoe voel het?
Yeah.
Like needles or what?
Yeah. Lot slower than the machine.
Yeah.
More better.
I'm very happy that you did this, eh?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nice. It looks very cool, eh? So she scrapes out the pieces of coconut out of the actual coconut.
Yeah.
Then they've got homemade coconut ice cream that they put inside there and mix it with. This goes over there.
Pineapple.
And peanuts.
See there, they've got something in there. That's the ice cream that goes in with the coconut.
And it's homemade recipe.
Homemade recipe. And it's amazing.
That's
See
it.
that guy, he's got a hammock in his tuk-tuk. That's the way you do it.
Nice, huh?
Ending off our
Thank you very much.
Anong Krabi. Kapkunka.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Ending off our Krabi Anong trip
For the coconut ice cream.
with the coconut ice cream. Yeah.
The shit is the best. It's not shit, it's the best.
It's the best.
This ice cream is the bomb.
So this was the forest that I had my freak out in yesterday of overeating and dying. And we couldn't go to the water because the tide was so high.
You were so high.
I mean so low
We walked to that island.
that you'd bake and I'd die if I had to go to the water. Now look how close the water is. I mean I could have gone from there to there very easily. And as you saw yesterday, we walked all the way out to that island, those two islands over there. Yep. We did that.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vibes.
Well, your pictures were so great. So you did see him? Yeah. Well, that's funny because I was going to ask how come you didn't like any of them.
This is an awkward conversation. Why?
You were the only one who didn't click like.
So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Life Better Than It Was.
But you didn't like it.
Okay.